Ever stared at the little triangle with numbers and felt like you needed a degree in unicorn hieroglyphics? Here's the real deal on what those numbers means and why most aren't as recyclable as you think. So every plastic container on the bottom has a little recycling symbol and it has a number inside. That number is to tell you what the type of plastic is. It is not to tell you if it is recyclable or not. It is to tell you the type of plastic that it is, so the facilities know what type of plastic so they know if they can recycle it. So the kicker is most of those plastics, of the numbers like 3 through 7, are generally not recyclable in your recycling facility. Now, it depends on each city. You should always look at your city's rules, but generally it is only 1 and 2 plastics that are recyclable. So what exactly is each number? Number 1 is polyethylene terephthalate, which is abbreviated as PET, which is usually used for like water bottles and soda bottles and other things. That's generally what it is for. Number 2 is high density polyethylene, which is like milk jugs, detergent bottles, etc. Number 3 is polyvinyl chloride, which is generally like food packaging and shrink wrap. Number 4 is low density polyethylene, which is usually like bread bags, plastic bags, those kind of things, and squeezable bottles. Number 5 is polypropylene, which is generally yogurt containers, bottle caps, straws, etc. Number 6 is polystyrene, which is disposable cups, plates, etc., and styrofoam. And number 7 is other, which is all other miscellaneous plastics that aren't considered in any of the 1 through 6. So you see how it can differ with each recycling facility, because some of them could be able to do yogurt containers, but not the other items that are used with that same plastic. And then they can do number 1 and number 2. Those are like the main ones that are usually generally recyclable. So that's why you really have to make sure that you're recycling for your city and making sure you look up what their rules are, so you're not putting plastic in that they can't recycle, because there's so many different types of plastic and what it's made of and all of those things, especially even in just its own categories. Hopefully this was helpful, and now you know a little bit more about plastic recycling and different types of plastic, and you can recycle properly now.